Discourse. Understanding discourse analysis. Language is more than words. When we communicate, we don't only use grammar or vocabulary, we also use tone of voice, gesture, and body language. For example, expression and finds can have different meanings depending on how the person say it. For the reason, discourse analysis study how language works in the real situation and the social context. It explains how people communicate, how many change depending on the context, and how language helps people express ideas, identity, and emotions. That's why discourse analysis is called the study of language in context. Now, context change communication. We don't speak in that same way with teacher, friend, and family. Messages change depending on the situation and what the person want to say. Discourse analysis is important because it help us understanding the real meaning behind communication, interpreted messages better, understanding people intentions. So discourse analysis is not only about what people said, it's also about why they said it and how others interpret it.
Okay, I will briefly explain topic 2.2, type of discourse within the field of applied linguistics. Discourse is more than just communication. It is a structured tool with specific purposes. Now we can identify four fundamental types. Narrative, which is used to relate stories and chronological events. Descriptive, which aims to paint details of reality through words. Argumentative, which is essential for perception and logical reasoning. And illustrative or expository, which clarify abstract concepts through concrete examples. Understanding these categories is vital for all professional development, as it allows us to analyze text accurately and adapt our teaching methods to different contexts. Next, my partner will explain descriptive and expository discourse in great detail.
Good afternoon. I'm going to talk about the topic 2.3, types of discourse, specifically expository and descriptive discourse. First, expository discourse is used to explain information and ideas in a clear and organized way. It's common in books, classes, and academic text because it helps people understand concepts and processes. On the other hand, descriptive discourse focuses on describing people, objects, or situation. It uses details and adjectives to help the reader imagine something clear. Finally, the main difference is the expository discourse explains information, while descriptive discourse explains characteristics and details. Thank you. Next, my classmate with the topic 2.4.
Discourse elements. The importance of discourse lies in its ability to help us understand how language works in real world context. By studying its components and scope, we understand that communication is much more than simple speaking well. Cohesion is focuses on surface language connections. That is, it emphasizes everything that can be pointed out in the text. Coherence is the underlying meaning and logic. Here it is not seen but understood. It ensures that idea for locality. My college will continue with the conclusion of the topic.
This unit 2, we learning that discourse analysis study how we people use language in real life to communicate ideas, feelings, and information. We also learning the main types of discourse: narrative, descriptive, argumentative, and expository. In addition, descriptive discourse help describe people, place, or object, while expository discourse explain information clearly. Finally, cohesion and coherence are important because they help connect ideas and make easier to understand. Overall, discourse is important because it improves communication in academic and daily life. Thank you for your attention.